everybody, and welcome to another video. Today, as you can see, we're playing Mad City on Roblox. Woo! Roblox. Um, yes, it's not loading. Come on, load! Alright. So, Mad City on Roblox. We're gonna be trying to escape. Jail! Escape it! Woo! I don't know why I'm so excited. Just a very energetic person. Very great intro music to Mad City. Alright, let's get into it, guys. We're also gonna spawn as a prisoner. Woo! Alright, so what we have is we actually are level 33. So that means we have Star Power Royal Ringer. We do not have Toxic yet. Alright, but what? Woo! Hello! My friend. You seem new here. Oh, sorry guys for the glitch. It happens when things are loading. Oh, the noises of people stepping are so annoying. Alright. Why don't we just talk to this guy? Maybe we should talk to him. We don't talk anymore. Alright, never mind. I'm not gonna sing that song. What is happening? You here? Maybe I can help you escape. See this box behind me? The person has containers all over like this to loot. Search around the prison and you might find some materials. You automatically craft items when you have the required materials. Alright, I guess let's search the box. Let's search the box before this guy does. You liar! You're an absolute liar! You said no, we could find items in the box behind you. Your face. I knew you were a liar. I shouldn't have listened to prison guards. I knew I shouldn't have listened to prison guards. It's not even a prison guard. It's just a fellow prisoner. Shouldn't have listened to them. They always lie. Oh, never mind. I can escape prison now. Woohoo! Escape in prison, escape in prison, escape in prison, escape in prison. Wow. Look at one of the police guys' name. The second to last police guy's name. Poop Master the God. Wait, I think this is him. Oh no. That's brown, orange, yellow, green. Oh, I don't even want to know. Okay, we're gonna not try to escape prison, guys. Hopefully we don't get caught in prison. Let's start digging. Yeah, I'm probably gonna die, so... No! 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 We need to fish! 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 You can't catch me! Woo! 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 Give me the key! Give me the key! Give me the key! Get in the key! Let me in, I dare you. Thank you. Bye. Bye! 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 We gotta fly the helicopter. We gotta fly the helicopter. We gotta fly the helicopter! No! Fly the helicopter! And no! The passenger, the driver! Yes, 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 yes. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Q, 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 Q. I need to find Q. Wait, no. E! E! No! No! We gotta escape. Wait, what? Why is somebody just dying in the water? Alright, well, whatever. We gotta go fast. Move, 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 move. We gotta go. Where's the island? Oh, here it is. It just hasn't loaded in yet. Alright, guys, we need to go to the crib base. We've escaped prison. Alright, now all we have to do is we can't get caught. Alright. Woo! Alright. Is there a house that we can rob down there? No, there's no house. Oh, I shouldn't. I'm gonna get in my insane flying vehicle. After I just parachute down. I gotta parachute down. Parachute. Woo! Parachute, parachute, parachute down to the ground. Alright, how do I get into mine? It's usually Y on Xbox, but I'm on an Xbox, so I have to click. Alright, let's spawn. Do I have a heat seeker? Let's please say I have a heat seeker. Let's go! Woo-wee! Look at that car. Look at that! Look at that beauty. We're just gonna sit here and haul this. You guys, you have no idea how long it took. It took literally years to get this car. It took so long. So, let me show you what you have to do. I'll do it again just for you guys. I'll show you guys how to get the heat seeker. This is going to be a tutorial video on how to get the heat seeker. Oh, building! 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 Whew, that was close. That was close. I just ran into a building and just randomly spawned in. Oh, look, the bank. I don't know why everything hasn't loaded in for me, so I'm just going to have to fly around the map real fast. Make sure everything's loaded in. Isn't there a volcano over here somewhere? There's a volcano, I know it. I know there's a volcano. Why are people... Oh, it's the Crim base. It's the Crim base. You gotta get to the Crim base. Woo! Oh, I hate these guys. I hate these people. No, 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 no. How? How? Alright, sorry guys. A little, no! I'm sorry. I hate the people that do that. So annoying! Golden, come in. Kai, come in here. Don't you hate people that camp the Crim base?
Oh, yeah. That happens to me a lot.
In Roblox? Alright, you can go now. Oh, that's the only thing I wanted to ask you. I just wanted to ask you if you hate Crim base campers. Crim base campers. Do you hate Crim base campers, Kaya?
Yes, I do.
Alright, now you can leave. Oh, the rope. Yes, I'm getting so lucky with opening up these boxes. Sorry guys for the rage. I just actually hate Crim base campers. It happened to me on Xbox. Happens to me on PC. There is a way that you can escape with a rope, I'm pretty sure. Guys, can't you believe that it's already been 7 minutes? It feels like it's been 2 seconds before I started this video. Maybe because just Mad City just takes away the time. That's how fun this game is. Don't fall off the rope. Jump! Yes. Let's sprint over to the dock and let's see if we can spawn our heat seeker and fly away peacefully into the sunset. Yes, sir, into the sunset. Alrighty, let's get the heat seeker out. Hopefully some police doesn't just come over here and just like destroy me. I hope not. Please don't. It may sound like I want that to happen. Alright guys, we escaped prison, so you know what this calls for? It calls for... my mouse is glitched. No! Alright. Alright. It calls for... Headbanger! Yeah! We escaped prison! Woo! Alright, that's enough. That's all I needed. I just needed to get some of that out. Let's get the boosters on. This is extremely loud. It's extremely loud, so everybody cover their ears. No! I pushed the E. I pushed E. It just stopped in its tracks. No! No! Alright, we escaped prison. Well, that's new. I didn't know there was a waterfall right there. That's cool. Haha! You're bad! You're all bad! Oh, I'm bad at flying, guys. Alright, well, we just fly up into the sunset. We are actually going to go... We're going to try to rob the pyramid and get the laser gun. Wait, you guys didn't know there's a laser gun? Well, let me show you how to get it. So, I may fail because here... Oh, no! No, out of all the people! Superhero! Alright. Please doesn't just close. So... And I am bad at parkour! So, now we're gonna spawn at the Crim base, I'm pretty sure. Yes! It's Crim base. Guys, don't you love my shirt? Isn't it beautiful? Thank you. I do not look anything like this in real life. Oh, volcano just exploded, that's what that noise was. Police outside. Should we try to kill him? Let's try to kill the police. Never do that in real life, guys. Oh, it's a dog! the dog. Shooting please, shooting please. Bad ID. Don't do this in real life, kids. Don't do it. No! I'm sorry. Campers, they're just annoying. Back to prison where I belong! Alright, guys. As you can see, I've been playing this game too much. Way too much. Oh, of course. Yeah, then why doesn't the sunset just come out? Just beautifully come out when, we're not even out there to see it. Prison cell, just rotting to death. You know what? Let's work out. It gets you free XP, so why not? You gotta get those muscles strong. Pumping irons. Pumping irons. Alright, let's run in the stupidest way possible. This is how I run in real life, guys, so. Imagine running like that. That would be fun. I'll go try it. I'll try it now. I'll try it after this. Yes! Dude, I'm getting so lucky with these finds. Let's try to score stop. You guys know what I was about to say? I was about to say, let's try and score soccer. You can't score soccer. No! 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 Let's kick the ball. Ooh, people are opening and closing up the doors. This is you know what that means. Oh, look, Hunter XX222 is in the party. Or, well, not in the party, just in the game. Of course. I just try to escape right now. I'm just quiet. Gotta dig. I actually can't get a dog, so. Hi, police, how you doing? Good day to be alive, isn't it? Can I just hop in there with you? Can you just take me to victory? Thanks, buddy. Thanks. Oh, yes, also, I would love... No! That's a lot. That's a lot of money right there. See, that's 100,000. Okay, I get it. I'm imprisoned. Jeez. These people, these days. Alright, guys. I've been imprisoned way too many times, so I'm just gonna let it... Oh! It opened for me. You're a lie. 100% a lie. Alright, guys. I'm gonna try to escape without even using any tools. If I can do that, you guys have to like the video. If I don't, you don't have to. Try to escape without using any tools. Just using the stupidity of... Hey, snipe! What? You just love seeing a car just run around the corner. Stop running me over! Arrest me. You won't. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. Wait, I can pickpocket him while he's in the car? No way. While his head's sticking out, I can pickpocket him? Let's try to pickpocket this dude. Bacon man. Bacon hair. Bacon hair. Bacon hair. I don't know why you spawn a car in prison, but whatevs. Can I just pickpocket you real fast? Just real fast, please. Just real fast. Just real fast. Ah! Alright, guys. Looks like I'm at the end of the video here. It's been getting way too out of hand. If you guys want to see any more Mad City, try to pickpocket this guy real fast. If I can pickpocket this guy, I won't end the video here. No! He's spawning his car. Oh, ooh. The glitch is real? Alright. I'll see you guys in the next video. Sorry I had to end it this short. If you guys are having a good time, smash the like button and maybe just consider subscribing. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!